Alright, I'm working on the 1992 Dodge Dakota LE. I got my upper control arm bushing built and installed. I got new bushings in it on both sides. Being careful not to, to squish these out too far. And the way I did it for how tight it should be is I looked at my pictures and there was 2 full threads showing on both sides. So I went by that and making sure this didn't squish out too far, which on one side it came up to the edge, but it didn't extend past it. You don't want it to extend past that. Got that pressed in with my tool, ball joint press kit. Okay, it works for U-joints too, but I did start it with a hammer, and I just set something on there and tapped it in to get it started. Then I put the tool on it, and I did use an impact, and now I got a new one, a DeWalt. It's a little heavy, but it has a lot of torque. It's supposed to have 700 foot-pounds going in and 1,200 to take something off with. So that's a handy new addition to the shop. So it turned out to be critical to get those nuts on where the bushings are located. Although, and I did have to take one off and clean up the threads. So my Craftsman is a good tool. It just isn't rated for that high. And I'm finding more and more every day that how important the impact is to help you do things you just couldn't do without it. Really helped a lot. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.